Hello everyone, welcome to Great Pot. Today we are making an Arabic dish, Halim. It's Mutton Haleem. You can also try it with chicken. So first let's soak some lentils and grains for this Halim like wheat, urad dal, chana dal, masoor dal, barley, some moong dal, cashew nuts and some almonds. Now soak this in water for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. And once it gets soft, add that into a pressure cooker with some water and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, into another pressure cooker, add in some mutton pieces with bone, add some ginger garlic paste, shahi jeera, some whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves and some cardamom, some mint leaves, coriander leaves, some clarified butter or ghee and some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, some red chili powder and some cumin seeds. Add enough salt, some fried onion. Now pour around 1 cup of water, mix it nicely. Now here I added 2 green chilies, but if you want more spicy, you can add more chilies. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Now let's check our pulses. It got nicely cooked. You can mash this using a wooden spatula or just transfer that into a blender. Add little bit of water and blend it nicely. Now the paste is ready, just keep it aside. Let's check the mutton. Now here I am separating some of the ghee from the top part just for the final garnishing. Now take all the mutton pieces from the gravy. Now you have to separate the meat from the bone. As the mutton has cooked perfectly, it will easily come out from the bones. The mutton pieces are really soft and tender. So carefully remove all the meat from the bones. Now you can shred all the meat using a fork or just transfer that into a blender and just pulse it 2 to 3 times. Now let's move on to the final procedure. I'm transferring all the gravy to a saucepan and mixing the minced meat and the lentil paste. You can do this in the same pressure cooker in which you cooked the meat. But just to show it clearly in the video, I transferred it into another pan. Now keep the heat on medium to low and start mixing it. You have to mix and mash this paste really well. In between add some salt, some coriander leaves and some garam masala. I'm also adding some lemon juice. You have to mix and mash this really well to make it into a smooth paste. Traditionally, it is prepared for 6 to 7 hours on a low flame to get the smooth paste-like consistency for the Halim. And once it is ready, we can serve it on a plate. And you can garnish it with the ghee which we took out from the gravy. Sprinkle some coriander leaves, some fried onion, fried cashew nuts, and with a lemon wedge. Our delicious Halim is ready. Do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.